Ciao, this is Chiara and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful holly leaf brooch. For this project I use Oro yarn by Lane Mondial. You can find more information in the info box below. You need a 4mm or G hook and this little red pom-pom for berries. Start with the chain 10. In the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in the next chain. Now 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now 1 double crochet again, 1/2 double crochet in the next, and 1 single crochet into the last 2 stitches. Now we are ready to work in the opposite side. 1 chain and 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet again. Now 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet in the next, 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet into the first chain. For the second row, slip stitch into the next 2 chain, slip stitch 1 and slip stitch again. Now we are going to make the first point, so 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 slip stitch into the first chain as a picot, and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. And this is the first point. Now slip stitch and slip stitch again, and now again for another point, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch into the first chain, a picot, and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Slip stitch again, 2 slip stitch, another point, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 slip stitch into the first chain, and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. So repeat all around. Slip stitch to close the row. Remember to make 2 leaves. Now cut the yarn and hide the yarn with needle, but leave a long tail in one of leaves. We are ready to sew all the pieces, our 2 leaves together with this long tail. I use the same needle. And now sew in this way. Hide the yarn again. Now take 3 little red pom-pom for berries and put 3 berries in this way with hot glue. Finally, put your brooch with hot glue. Your brooch is now complete. I think I used this brooch at Christmas dinner, so I'm doing a lot for my whole family. It will be a small gift for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!